Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's continue with our SQL series preparation. So in the previous video, we have actually covered the wildcard functions, and today we'll be covering the date and time functions. So these date and time functions, we will be taking 2 to 3 videos, and I will not cover everything in a one single video, or else it will be very lengthy and difficult to understand. So today in the date and time functions, we will solving 3 questions, followed by which in the subsequent videos we'll be covering three questions, and so that the understanding level will be quite good. So let's understand the question today. So we have a data set, that is the attendance ID, the employee ID, the check-in time, and the checkout time. So based on the data set that we have, we will be solving 3 different questions, and the questions that we will solve today will be a very basic questions, not a difficult one. So let's jump to the notepad. I've already written the script. The script can be found in the description box. You can just copy it from here, and as along you can write also. Perfect. Now the first question is, we have to find the employees who have checked in before the 9 a.m. So the check-in time we have been given, the checkout time is given, but we need to just find the employees who checked in before 9 a.m. So only one where condition we just need to put. Perfect. So we can directly write select the column names. We need the attendance ID, we need the employee name, and we need the check-in time. So we need just 3 columns. So we can simply copy it from here, paste it here. From the table name is employee attendance. You can simply copy it here, and we need to put the where condition where we have to use the time function, and this is used in MySQL. So time of the check-in time. So time is an inbuilt function which is used in MySQL. Accordingly, if you are using SSMS or any other different ID, then based on that you have to use it. So time of check-in time, it should be less than 9 p.m. So sorry, 9 a.m., and that 9 a.m. you have to put in the format 0900 and 00, that is hours, minutes, and seconds. Perfect. So this will be our final query. Now let's jump to the second question. So second question is basically, we need to calculate the total hours worked for each employee. Okay, so total hours worked for each employee can be calculated using the difference between the check-in checkout time and the check-in time. Okay, so we have just have to need one condition, that we need to subtract the time from checkout minus check-in time, and we just need the time in the form of hours. Okay, so we can select, we need attendance ID and we need the employee time, so we can simply copy it. We don't need the check-in time right now, we just need the employee name and attendance ID, and now here we need to find the difference. And to find the difference in the MySQL, we can use the timestamp diff function. So this function, what it basically does, it takes 3 parameters. So this and this. First parameter is the amount in which we need, whether it's in hour, in minutes, or seconds. So here we need in hour, so you will use hour. Then the second parameter is basically the time from which it needs to be subtracted, that is we need the check-in time. We can simply copy it from here, control C, control V, and the last parameter is from where you need to subtract. We need to subtract from checkout time. So simply copy it and paste it this. Now let's alias it as proper name, like hours worked. Now lastly, from the table name, that is the employee attendance table. Perfect. Make sure this particular function will be different, this timestamp diff will be different for the different parameter, different IDs that you are using. If you are using SSMS, it should be different. If you are using Oracle database, then it should be different. You can simply copy this particular timestamp and paste it in the Google to check what is exactly the timestamp diff for the SSMS, for the MySQL, for the Oracle database, and accordingly you will get that particular function for that particular IDE. Okay, so let's jump to the third question. The third question is basically, we need to extract the day of the week when employees checked in. Okay, so we basically need the day name. All right. So we need the attendance ID, employee name. Simply copy it, paste it, and here we need day name of check-in time, and let's alias it as day of week from the table name, that is control C. Perfect. Now this will be our final query. So day name is basically the function that is used in MySQL to get the day name, that is it is Sunday, Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever. Cool. Let's copy everything from here and paste it in the IDE. Paste it here. Let's uncomment this one because these are the questions. And what are things? Yeah, perfect. Let's run it. So we have got the successful output for all the three questions. Let's check it once. So for the first question, it is saying find employees who checked in before 9 a.m. and we have got attendance ID 134, that is Alice, Charlie, and Diana. Those check-in time are 8:45, 7:50, and 8:10, which is before 9 a.m. And the second question is total hours worked for each employee. So we have to find the number of hours that has been worked by each employee, starting from attendance ID 1 to attendance ID 6. And the last question is basically to find the day name. So for all the attendance ID starting from 1 to 6, we have got the day of the week, that is Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Cool. This is how you can actually solve, and in the next videos I will come up with more such date and time functions, and these are very much crucial when you're going for interview purpose, because you can find a lot of questions when you're going for finance related companies or healthcare related companies, or even for companies where sales and marketing are involved, so that you can be able to extract the particular days, weeks, hours, months, years from the data set. And make sure to practice these questions. I will come up with more such questions, and just share the video with someone who's preparing for data analyst interview. And till then, keep loving, keep coding, guys. Have a good day.